Alright, let's proceed in showing you the object parameters. Actually, you have seen it already when we were trying to show you the type of objects. So if you click on edit and under the object tab, a while ago we showed you this the types of objects under this tab, and on the left side are the status of the object. Now with the status, you can see that if you lock it, if you check the lock radio button, it actually will not be able to make some changes anymore. As you can see, I cannot move this block. Another option is the physical. So if you try to change this to physical, let me unlock that first and raise that for a bit and click on physical. As you can see, the block just fall down. Now I'm making this one temporary. In a minute it will just disappear. Another option is making the object non-physical, or what do you call it, or the option phantom. So you click on edit and you click on the phantom radio button, and that should do the work. You should be able to go through the object. Another option is the position parameter of the object. So if you edit the object, you can see here that there is position here on the under the status options. So you can actually move also the object manually by moving the arrow, and you can also edit it through the values. Next to that is the size parameters of the object. So as you can see, if I click on stretch here on the third from the position radio button, you can actually edit also by stretching it or lowering the size, and you can also use the dots to edit or stretch the object. There is an option here where you can stretch both sides when you are trying to resize the box. So if you tick that, you can also stretch both sides, and if you change the value manually, it will also change both sides. Second to the last is the rotation option. So if you click on rotate below the position button here, you can see that the option here for rotation is has changed already. Of course, it still has a value of X, Y, and Z. So as you can see, Z here can rotate it sidewards, and the X, Y, Z option are on the top. Last but not the least is the option for the other option for the object parameters. This is the cutting tool. So as you can see, there are a lot of options. If you change it to a different type, like for example the sphere, the option will change as the object is different. So let's start off with the box. With the box type object, the most basic object option is the path cut, begin, and end. So you can start from one end here, or you can also cut from the other end. Let me just return that, and let me show you the next option under on the other options from the object parameters is the haloification. As you can see, you can make an object hollow. There is also an option if you try to make a hollow on the object. It's the to decide what shape it is. So you can also change the shape option. You can make it a circle, square, or a rectangle. Now, this other part of the object parameters is very useful, especially for builders. This would actually help if you're very good in connecting Legos. This one will be an upgraded version of how to do build or how to build Legos, and you're actually just creating objects in the virtual world. So as you can see, there are still other four options here in object parameters. There's the twist. You can twist it from the clockwise or counterclockwise. You can also click the upper part. Another option is the taper. So as you can see, if you taper an object, you can actually change the size of that object. Another option is shear. So as you have as I have shown you on the other software, Inkspace, there's also shear here on the virtual world. So you can also make the object do a slant position. Another option which I find very useful in creating thin objects, like a sheet of paper, since it will be quite hard for a box. What we do is that we make a cut, see, and you can also do it the other way. Now to make it more thinner, you can now just edit it. So there you go, you have a thin box already. I hope you enjoy this tutorial, and I hope you try to tweak the object parameters as much as you can. Have a great day.